Hi boys and girls, today we are on lesson 25 and it looks like this. Just make sure you have your name on it. Today we're going to get started with some rhyming words. I'm going to say a word and then we're going to think of a word that rhymes with it. So we have sip and hip. Those are rhyming words. They both have ip. Sip, hip. All right. Pig, rig. Pig, rig. Both have that ig. Tot, spot. They both have ot. Fan, pan. Fan, pan. Both have an. Log, hog. Both have og. Gag, lag, ag. Pin, tin, in. Pal, gal, al. And hat, mat. Hat. All right, good job. Next, we are going to learn about our new letter. So I want you to echo the sound ah, ah, ah. That's the letter A. So when we get our worksheet out, and we see our letter A right here. Our lowercase a, when we skywrite it, we're going to start up at the top. We're going to make like a circle, and then we kind of come down with a little tail on it. So lots of different ways to write an A, but that's how we're going to write it. Circle, little tail down. All right, so let's practice that. Little circle, and then tail down. All right, go ahead and make some A's. I'm doing it here because then we have to do the back of the worksheet, and I've made the mistake of letting my marker bleed through there. So I'm going to just make some A's. All right, and then here when I say ah, you'll say ah, and then we're going to say letter A, and we're going to write down letter A right here. All right, next we're going to talk about our picture card for the letter A. This is red. It could be other colors, but it's when you think of them, I always think of red ones. They're round and they're crunchy and you eat them. It is an apple. So when we see our picture card, we're going to remember apple, letter A. All right. Let's go back to our worksheet. We are going to find all of our lowercase a's in the picture. So go ahead and do that with me. We're going to circle them. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. All right, one more thing we need to talk about, and maybe we noticed it on our picture card, is that our A has the brev, which means it's a vowel, right? On our alphabet strip, if we look at that, mine's under things. Here we have our A, and it's in red, so that does tell us that A is a vowel, which is exciting because now we have another vowel and we can start learning to spell different words with different vowels, right? All right, let's turn our paper around, and we are going to look at our different pictures, and we're just going to write the first letter of that picture. So our first picture is an apple, A. Let's write it down. Our next picture is a picture of a helicopter. Helicopter, H. I'm going to write down an H. And lastly, do you know what that is? A popsicle. Popsicle, P. So we're going to make a P there. And look, here I was trying to be careful, and my picture still has those little circlies on it anyway. So moving down, we're going to practice coding some more. And our A, we're still following our same vowel consonant pattern where our vowel gets the brev, if that's what it looks like. So here we find our vowel, the H, or the A, sorry. Our vowel is the A, and next to it's a consonant, so it gets that brev, and it makes the short sound, so it's at. And then we know our picture card because we had that when we learned our H, right? Our H sound, hat. Next, we have we find our vowel, our O, and next to it's a consonant, T, so it gets the brev. And we sound it out, pot, pot. And we see our picture of a pot over here, and we're going to draw a line to it. Lastly, we find our vowel, our A, and then it has a G next to it. A G is a consonant, so we're going to put our brev. We have t-ag, t-ag. If you didn't know this was a tag, it is our last picture, so it has to be the one, but it's kind of like a little price tag you would maybe stick on something. So we'll draw a line up to there. All right, that's all for the letter A today, and we'll learn more about it next time.